Hello, horse.
What's up, YouTube? Today we got a banger for you. We're again trying new stuff. Today we're doing a new taste test, and we're going to be taste testing. Whoops! Pop-Tarts. Poppers.
You said Pop-Tarts?
Oh! Rice Krispie treats, snap, crackle, poppers. Cookies and cream.
There's more flavors of this.
But we only got these.
Yeah.
So we're gonna enjoy it.
Where?
Right there. I'm gonna try that.
Thank you.
Right.
Anywho.
So we're gonna be taste testing these Rice Krispie treat poppers.
I don't know the price. My mother got this
Mine.
from Shoppers. I wish she gave me the
Nice.
receipt.
Thank you, Miss Watson.
Yes. Hail Hydra. But yes. Nani? Man, this showing
You
tight.
did put that weak shit
I'll
in.
open it.
Yeah, you gonna open that though.
Oh, we only open one pack, right?
Yeah, so it's like what, better for in there?
We're gonna get our own pack.
Ooh, we like it.
Wow.
I mean, they are small. Okay, yeah, it's 4 in there. Like the muffins.
Oh yeah, muffin top. You remember those videos, don't you? If you don't, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Nope.
No, you still feel ashamed.
Yeah, we post a lot of videos.
Yeah, what the hell? Look at this shit.
No, you fucked it up.
No, I did it. This look like the astronaut ice cream.
Well, whatever. You did the
Uh-huh. I think it's called dry ice cream or something like that. But y'all know what I'm
I've
talking
heard
about.
dry ice cream before.
Y'all know what I'm talking about, though.
I don't know what happened.
First of all, if you got the green thing on,
I'm about to say, why you putting your eyes in it?
good.
That's what we said last time about the home stop. Oh, it's 5. Oh, it's 5.
But I don't want to. What if I don't like it?
And put it back in the back. Oh, it's 6.
Oh, we all get 2.
Oh, wait. My bad. I can't count to that.
We all get 2 then.
No, it's actually 5.
Okay, ready?
This looks like a block of rice.
Look at my
Because it is a block of rice.
My mother's got pop. Ready, set.
You good?
This one tastes better than the home style jumps we had.
Yeah, it does.
Can I have it? Can I have this one? Thank you.
10 out of 10.
Definitely. Normally anything with cookies and cream is 10 out of 10. And Rice Krispie treats are definitely 10 out of 10.
Depends, because them home style jumps were some shit.
Oh.
But the regular Rice Krispie treats are better.
Dang.
Yeah, this is good too.
We have another Rice Krispie treats after this video. It's 2 different ones. These are the poppers. And and the other one is just a regular one, but it's a different flavor. You're gonna see after this video. But hopefully we found more flavors though. But yeah, hopefully we found more flavors on them.
I don't want him to hire level, man.
You know what?
Oh, God, there was that.
Damn.
Thank you, sucker.
Hey, these taste test videos been short. Normally we procrastinate in like the first 2 minutes just talking gibberish. That's why we move fast. Because we got a lot of taste tests, so we're trying to keep it up.
We got like what, 15 through 20 videos.
Yes.
I counted it, but I forgot, so I'm just saying 15 through 20.
And then there's a lot of commotion going on in the background. So,
As y'all can hear.
yeah.
Right.
But
Well, anyway, so I know. But Shoppers, I don't know the price. I guess you can guess the price like what, $3 something or $4 something dollars and some change. Damn, that really is this right there.
Alright, allow me to finish it. So like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. You know, make sure you put our names out there. You know, search us on Twitter and Instagram, all that good stuff.
I might end up changing my name. I don't know yet.
So as for right now, they'll find you. You know,
Yeah.
screenshot us, put us on your live. You know, do what you can to get our names out there. You know,
Yeah.
hit that notification.
Y'all can get
bell.
us out the way too.
You know, all the time. We're always welcoming you.
Yeah, all the time. Trying to get us out the way all the time.
And please know what you're doing.
Anywho, I don't know about that, but
We gotta go, guys.
yeah.
on to the next video, which you will be receiving in a couple days.
Yeah. Distracting. Sorry, no.
Matinee. Stay beautiful, people.
Matinee.
We gotta go.
Anyways,